Hi there, in this video tutorial we're going to illustrate how you can publish your AMP assessment in your Schoology course. The AMP assessments have been distributed to the following courses. This chart illustrates what courses AMP assessments were distributed to. The Math Try 1 Common District Assessment is in course 525 Math. The optional Math Try 1 District Enrichment Assessment is in 525 Math as well. And then finally the ELA Try 1 District Assessment is in 505 Reading and 515 Language Arts. It's in both courses, but you only have to choose one of those courses that you want to distribute that assessment in. So let's now take a look at the additional steps for publishing that assessment in your Schoology course. When these assessments are pushed out, they're always going to be listed in the bottom of your materials list. And here's an example in math. So we're going to publish the Try 1 assessment by clicking the down arrow and then choose Publish, and then click Publish again to confirm. The next step is to set the individual test settings. In order to do that, you'll click the cogwheel and go to Edit. And each assessment is going to be set up just a little differently in terms of the grading scale. In the email that was sent to you, there is a document that shows you what the individual settings should be in terms of how many points, the category, and what particular grading scale. So here is an example of the math, the enrichment assessment, and then finally the settings for the ELA. I'm going to step through the math one in this example. And so what you want to do first of all is make sure that you have the correct point set up. And so in the example here, we want to make sure it's set to 5 points, and it's going to be the formative assessment grading scale. So it's 5 points. You want to make sure that it's set to Enable. District AMP is the category, and then in this example, it's the ELEM formative grading scale. And then go ahead and click Save Changes. As soon as you click Save Changes, that assessment will now be available for students to click and begin taking the assessment. Please go through and go through that process with the other assessments in your Schoology courses. And again, if you need a guide in the email that was delivered, you can refer to this as a little cheat sheet for you to get those test settings in place. Thank you for your time and good luck.